welcome back to my channel. So today I have a video that I have seen floating around on the internet that is kind of a breakdown of all of my Instagram outfits that I wore this month, or kind of a what I wore this month video. If you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please do go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also, you can hit that bell button. That will just give you a little notification every time I upload a video, which is usually every Wednesday. I'm trying to kind of get up to 2 videos a week, so let me know down in the comments if you'd like to see more videos from me. I'm always so stoked to make more content for you guys. So I thought what I would do is I would go through my Instagram, so I have my phone here, and I would kind of talk you through each of my outfits, what I was doing that day, and yeah, kind of break them down a little bit. I have all the outfits that I'm going to talk about down here. I kind of just decided I would go through, even though it is July now, I would do just June specifically rather than going into July. Maybe if you like this, I will do this again at the end of July, at the beginning of August. Okay, so first up, if you're not following me on Instagram, please go over and give me a follow. I am really enjoying making Instagram content at the moment. I haven't actually made an IGTV. What do you guys think of it? I think I'm going to start making videos on there too, so let me know down in the comments if you'd like to see that from me. And yeah, I'm going to start off with my first outfit that I posted in June, which was this one. I'm actually just going to pop picture of it up on the screen. It is this shirt, which is kind of interesting because I feel like you could tie it a few different ways. I was shooting a lot of content that day, so I just took a little selfie on my way home, and it has these kind of pretty bat wing kind of sleeves with a tie in the middle, and I just styled it with my usual jewellery. But what I really like about this top is you can kind of crisscross it over, tie it in the back, tie it in the front. You can get lots of different looks out of this. I also feel like this would be great to kind of take on holiday with you, because you could kind of just throw it over a bikini or something like that and it'd be really comfortable. It's from a brand called Hey Molly, and I'll be sure to link it down below. I really like it. I just think it's like a really easy piece to throw on and looks really chic. I went ahead and paired this with some denim, black denim shorts. They are not in the picture, so I'm not going to show you them. And then in the picture I was also wearing these shades. These are from Forever 21. Everyone always asks me where they're from, and they're literally like $5 I think from Forever 21. They're a really cute like shape. I love the cat eye, and then the kind of sunglasses, because they're cheap, I don't mind kind of just like throwing them in my bag and wearing them by the pool and getting them a bit smeary and stuff. But yeah, they're really cute, and yeah, I think they made this look extra cool. So another picture I actually took that same day was this one. In this picture, I'm wearing a really simple white oversized tee. The kind of key pieces in this outfit were this jacket. This is from Pretty Little Thing, and I absolutely have been loving wearing this. I really like this kind of like off-white colour. I just think it looks really cool with so many things, with the gold button and all the distressing. I just really liked this one, and it goes so nice because it's like really oversized on me, so it goes really well with kind of like an oversized tee or something like simple underneath. I thought this was a really cool look. And then also for shoes, I wore, you can see I've just taken these off, I wore my leather Vans. Fun fact about these, they're so painfully uncomfortable. I got them because I was like, oh, they're leather and they'll go really well for like, they'll wear in really well, and I bet you they'll be like the most comfortable shoes ever, and they look really cool. And I find with like a lot of my like Converse and Vans and stuff, they're just ruined in minutes. So I was like, oh, these would be great. These hurt so much. Like if you guys have any tips on how I can wear these in any better, I've already worn them a bunch, but I'm having to wear like a thick sock to kind of like protect my ankle. So any tips would be greatly appreciated with these, because I really like them. They look really cool, but I'm struggling to make them comfy. So yeah, but I really liked this outfit. It was just really simple and easy to throw on. Okay, so this next dress, this next picture, sorry, was this dress. Fun fact, this was actually like a throwback outfit to a music video that I was in. Fun. My friend Liza is an amazing artist, and I'll be sure to link the video down below to her song Falling, which I was in the video for, and she very kindly let me keep the dress that I wore. So this is it. It's from Topshop. So many people were asking me where this is from. It's kind of like a slip nightie. One of the other girls in the video, we all wore the same dresses, was wearing these like kind of Doc Marten boots with it and like a leather jacket, and it just looked really cool. So I feel like you could totally dress this up in a different way. In the picture I'm literally just wearing this and no shoes and nothing else because it was really simple. But yeah, I really like this dress. Like I say, Topshop. This one's a size 8, it fits kind of like nice and loose. And yeah, I really liked this. It was really comfy. And I got lots of compliments on this look, so yeah. Okay, so this next outfit I absolutely love. It's this jumpsuit from River Island. You may have seen this in my Coachella haul, actually. I'll be sure to link that if you haven't seen that one. But I didn't actually wear this to Coachella because I was so hot and I was like, I'm not wearing trousers. It's a very bad idea. So anyway, love, love, love this jumpsuit, this spotty kind of polka dot detail. And then the best part about it has these like frilly ruffle hems. And I was shooting with my friend Jen this day. She takes a lot of my Instagram pictures and she's amazing. I'll be sure to link her Instagram down below. And we shot this kind of sat down, all slouchy, and I'm wearing the same Forever 21 sunglasses that I was wearing in the first outfit. And yeah, I just really love it. I think these are poppies, I think maybe. I'm not sure what flowers these are, but they're so pretty, and yeah, I just really liked this. It's such a like comfy, easy outfit to wear, and feels like you're basically wearing pajamas, so loved that one. Okay, this next picture was also taken by Jen, and in it I am wearing this little top. This is from Miss Selfridge, and I absolutely love Miss Selfridge at the moment. There's so many cute things in there. You'll probably have seen a lot of Miss Selfridge bits on my channel and on my Instagram lately, but I've been loving them. They very kindly sent me some bits. And this top is so cute. It's like such an easy like throw on with jeans kind of top. And I love that you can like ruche the middle to kind of get more of a bit of a shape in the front, or you can just have it down if you want it more of a cropped style, depending on what you're wearing. I tend to wear it when I'm wearing my jeans. I kind of really ruche it up if I do like a high-waisted jean, so it's more like a bralette kind of crop top. And then if I'm wearing like something a bit more revealing on the bottom, I kind of tend to like wear it down. But yeah, I absolutely love this top. I think it's so pretty. I was just wearing it with a pair of Madewell jeans that you guys have seen a million times, so no need to show you those, but I'll be sure to link them down below also. But yeah, this top was kind of the star of the show, and yeah, I absolutely love it. Then this next outfit I featured in a kind of summer style lookbook video, which I'll be sure to link if you haven't seen that one. It will be linked on screen somewhere right now. And the kind of key pieces in this outfit were firstly this little kind of bandeau crop top thing. Which way around does it go? This way. And I absolutely love this print. I think it's so, so cool. I love it. I think it's banana leaves, I think. Or palm leaves maybe, I can't really tell, but it's so, so sweet. It has like the regular kind of like bandeau underneath, and then you tie the front. So you can kind of make it as tight or as loose as you want it. I tend to try and make it a little bit tighter just so it doesn't fall down because it's a little bit big on me. But I just love the look of it. It's so sweet. It also gives you a little bit more coverage because like if you actually tie something in the middle, you're quite like, your boobs are covered and that's about it. But having a top like this where you've got like the band underneath and then you've got the tie, you kind of still get that look. This is also from Hello Molly, which I absolutely love this brand at the moment. And yeah, I really like the kind of green colour, the palm leaves. And then I went and paired it with these Forever 21 jeans, which you guys love and I love. I live in these. These are a kick flare jean. Well, I feel like when I looked these up on the website, they said they were straight leg, but to me, they nip in and flare out. So I'm gonna keep calling them kick flare. They're cropped and they're just a really nice length on me. They're super flattering, they're really high-waisted, which I love. Because a lot of my jeans, oh, maybe they are. I kind of have a lot of like mid-rise jeans, so they kind of end just below my belly button, but these ones are seriously like can be at my belly button, high-waisted, so it makes it nice to wear with crop tops because you want that little bit more coverage. But as an outfit, I absolutely love this one. I just thought it's such like easy, fun summer outfit that you can kind of day to night. It's yeah, it's a great one, and I really enjoyed wearing this. Okay, so the final outfit I am going to talk about is this one. This day I was at the beach with my friend Jen, and she's, like I say, amazing at taking pictures, so she was always helping me out. And I was wearing this beach dress. We just had kind of like an afternoon in Malibu. This dress is from River Island and I absolutely love it. It is a beach cover up. Again, you might have seen this in my Coachella haul. I've just been throwing this on over bikinis throughout the whole summer and I absolutely love it. It's cute because it like looks like a real, like you could wear this to the bar, somewhere else after the beach. It's not just kind of a beach. It's not just kind of like a beach cover up, if you know what I mean. It looks a bit more something going on to it. Oh, there's some pink fluff stuck to it. And I love the open back, it's really pretty, and then it has this kind of like waist tie, which is currently undone, but knits you in really nicely at the waist, yeah. And I really like this, I've really been enjoying wearing this. I'm gonna probably take this on holidays with me, because that's a really nice piece. And then just to mention this hat, which I've been living in, which I wore with this outfit. This is from Toby.com, and I love Toby. I have so many amazing things from them that I just cannot stop wearing, and yeah, I just love the shape of it. It's like a perfect, oh, what's going on with my hair here? My hair's a bit mad today because the weather has been so hot. I feel like I've washed it too many times, if you know what I mean, because it's been so like sweaty and gross. But yeah, I really like the shape of this. It wears really nice with so many outfits, and I've just been reaching for it non-stop. You've probably seen it on my Instagram a ton. I think I even wrote in one post like, I'm never taking this hat off, but I absolutely love it, and yeah, keeps me nice and cool. And that is it, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know which was your favorite look from this month on my Instagram. I'm always posting so many outfits over there, so be sure to go and follow me. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Give this video a like if you liked it. Let me know in the comments what you would like to see here on my channel, and I will see you in my next one.